Sure.
Cover our faces.
Well, here, so we're gonna be, this is what we drew at the museum. Now we're going to try to draw this again from memory. Blindfolded.
Yeah! No cheating.
No cheating. Ah,
I
God.
hope someone tells me if you start looking. If you look.
They're filming.
Yeah, but the whole
You'll
video.
know. They'll know. Should we have like a minute to just look at it?
No, I think we know it.
No, I don't. I forgot. We had lunch already.
This is gonna be funny. I'm all for the experience.
All right.
We're gonna use the white for the highlights.
The white for the highlights. I mean, dude. All right, 15 minutes?
Yeah.
Your glasses or your blindfolds are so much better than mine.
Oh. So I guess.
Okay, well.
Okay, so this is a paper.
I gotta start the. Huh?
Is this a mechanical pencil? Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, perfect.
Are you gonna? Are you gonna use the?
Where's my knitted eraser?
Oh. Okay.
We can erase, no?
What are you gonna erase? Are you really planning on erasing?
No, that's true. We cannot even erase.
I'm not. I'm
Okay,
not
the
gonna
white.
erase.
My white is here, right?
Yes.
Okay, so perfect. I'm gonna use the sponge.
All right. I'm starting 15 minutes. This is wow. Oh man. Okay.
Are you blindfolded?
Yes, dude. I don't even know. I want to make sure I get it in the right spot on the page. This is so much harder than I thought it was gonna be.
I know it's.
Okay. I gotta just like focus in on it and imagine the drawing.
Really? You started?
I'm starting, dude. The timer started. Wow.
Oh.
Oh my god, I could tell this is gonna be so bad. Oh my god. Why did I even try to remember the what it looked like? I gotta remember.
I think this is where the hands used to go.
You don't remember where you put stuff, huh?
I don't even remember what I'm drawing.
Oh man.
Let me know if I'm drawing on your floor.
I'm hoping I'm not filling in the whole page. Because there's a lot of shadow, so it's like, if I go too far, then I'm just like shading the face. Oh wow, the page goes down all the way to here.
You know what? Like, it's incredible that these people are not laughing.
The camera?
Yeah,
Brand.
I don't hear anybody. They're just cracking up and living.
Well, because we haven't done anything stupid yet.
We should have done like a continuous contour because at the moment you lift the pencil, it's hard to come back to the same place.
Yes, I'm feeling the edges. I'm trying to remember placement based on the edges of the page. Yeah, the top. So you like think, okay, there's the top, and then a few inches down is like the top of the head, and then a few inches from there is the bottom of the chin. That's what I'm trying to do, but for some reason I feel like everything I'm doing isn't actually going down on the page, right? Because I'm not seeing it happen.
This is so funny. Like I don't even know where my face was supposed to go.
I don't know why I feel like I'm.
We should have people telling us to the left, to the right. Okay, so the face is kind of like right here. So.
Okay, so like some hair, and then she had like fluffy hair, kind of did some stuff over here, and then this is like the chin area.
Oh, the Chinese letters.
I think. And then some more hair over here. I'm guessing the face should be somewhere in here. Okay, and I'm trying to base off of the laughter in the room. Am I correct?
I think I did. Okay, how can I ask anybody if I already have a face?
Should we get like one lifeline?
I'm gonna do a thumbnail study up here to make sure I kind of practice my values.
Okay, eyes. Okay, there's one eye. There's another one. And then you got like eyebrows, and then she had like this shadow going down her cheek, and then her nose had a shadow on the left.
You're going detail, man.
Yeah, dude.
I don't even know
And
where
then
my
there's
nose
like
is.
there's these lips. I feel like I'm way off. I'm so off. Right. How much time do we have? How much time we got?
I know, it turned off.
Oh, it turned off? Isn't that working?
Oh, there you go.
There.
We're at 9 minutes right now.
9 minutes left? Because I feel like I'm like done. I don't know. I'm not comfortable doing any detail because I don't know where it's supposed to go. So folds.
Okay,
The neck is right here. There's some shadow. And the hand, I think I already drew the hand somewhere in here.
I keep trying to do the hair. I love the hair.
I drew the hand, but I didn't like.
I wish
A
I
second.
knew what my hand was because I forgot the fingers.
I think I have it easier than you
Why?
because you did the whole thing.
I'm trying to.
I only did the figure.
Yeah, right. I don't think it's
Oh,
easy.
I remember there was like an edge of the wall. There was an edge
Like on the left
going down there.
side. On the left side, down.
Yeah.
You imagine if we sell this for like millions of dollars when we're dead? Like we found.
No,
Prokopenko.
this is going in the trash, man.
Okay.
Oh
so
yeah, I
remember
forgot
there
to
was
shade this part.
a-
Oh, did you do highlights yet?
Oh no, I'm gonna change it to that. Is this the white one?
Yeah, it's a white one.
There. Okay.
I remember. I put it on my. Okay, so I'm gonna look for highlights on the shirt. So first you gotta block in the whole value,
It's like a triangular shape at the bottom of the sleeve.
the color.
Oh god, back into the
I
face.
think I'm doing everything on the face actually now that I think about it because
Man, my foot.
I haven't used the bottom part.
Oh man. I'm supposed to somehow find the forehead?
Yeah, I'm
Just
gonna
to-
do. Look, I'm gonna go straight to the highlight on the eye. Okay.
Okay, so somewhere in here is the forehead.
there you go.
I hope this is the forehead, man. And it kind of gradates.
Dude, this is worse than.
Based on your reaction, I'm way off. Okay, I'm good. This is the right eye, and then you got left eye highlights.
Dude, I feel that forehead should be around here.
The shirt is pretty much all white.
Yeah, the shirt.
Okay.
It's just
the
white.
shirt
Remember the.
down here.
That's what I'm talking about, like, because you gotta do the fingers. So.
Oh no! Did I run off the? Ah, crap! I messed up, dude.
Why?
I went all the way off the right side of the page with the shirt.
That's amazing. You're gonna have like a flow-through line that goes flowing out.
Dang it! Oh yeah, the sleeve went across this way.
4 minutes.
4 minutes left.
Oh man, I got a sign.
Oh, dude, I got a sign. Hold on, I feel like I need to put some accents around the face because I remember there were some sharp edges.
Okay, so let me do,
And then,
let me do
like,
another study here.
Hair.
Let me do a study here. I'll do like a little thumbnail here too. 'Cause I want to see if I'm able to.
Oh my god, I think I'm getting into the groove now. I feel like I could get it a lot.
If we keep working on this, it's gonna be amazing. Like,
Yeah, I feel like it's looking really good.
I think Picasso will be impressed. Honestly.
No, like the way I'm imagining what I'm doing right now, it looks really good. In my head.
I know.
Like I just put down a real nice shape.
The energy is just incredible.
But I feel like the background isn't dark enough over here.
I know the background was dark.
Yeah, and it's like I can't. Usually when I have to fill in a dark background, it takes me like 5 minutes. I just did it in like 2 seconds. Wait, is this the white pencil? Oh crap.
Oh, I have a white.
Oh, this is the charcoal. Okay.
I have a white in case you lost it.
Okay, I gotta
You know
sign
who's
it.
gonna be proud of me?
Huh.
My teacher from college. Like finally, Cesar something doing.
Something meaningful with soul, passion.
I'm glad he took it to the next level.
Dang it! I just broke my pencil while trying to.
He's like, man, he was so stiff with his drawings all the time, like naturalistic. Like I'm really feeling this one. Okay, which one? I don't know which one is dark now. This is
Did I
the light
spell my
one?
name right? I'm gonna write Prokopenko
All right.
blindfolded.
Let's do it. Me too.
Blindfolded. God damn, it's hard to write. Okay.
Oh, I haven't taken mine down.
Oh, wait, that's the time.
All right, so we take it off.
Wait, let me stop it first.
Just count from 3 down.
Okay, 3, 2, 1.
What the hell? At least you have a face.
I know, I have a face.
Dude, that's amazing. Wow, can we change?
Oh no, I shaded the forehead right on the eye.
Dude, you were controlling that thing. How do you do that?
Dude, I actually got the highlight on the eye right.
How do you do that?
I was measuring the sides. I was like, okay, a few inches down is the hair, and then I would just go down a little more.
I had nothing. I have nothing here. I can see it.
Oh my god, dude.
Dude, that's
Oh, look at my
amazing.
name. I put the P on the R.
Yeah, mine is kind of weird too, but dude, I have a hand. And I have a mouth, a nose. Man, why did I touch the face?
Oh, this was my hand. This is the hand that I drew. His fingers. And
No,
then this is
yours
sleeve.
looks like something. But how did I turn this into, like, I'm totally lost right now. I didn't use the bottom.
What is this?
My thumbnail looks better.
You did a thumbnail?
Yeah. Because, you know, that's the
What?
academic way. You did a thumbnail earlier.
When I could see it.
This is my, wow.
No, in my head it was a lot better.
No, actually, I'm impressed. Like, honestly, you have a face with a funny mouth, but you have a mouth. Do you see a face there? A little bit like nose, mouth,
Oh,
eyes.
yeah. Wait, that's the mouth?
Yeah.
Oh,
I was
dang.
trying to render
Dude,
like mouth, nose, and eyes.
Yeah, I see it. I totally see lips right there. Is that lips?
Yeah, those are lips. This is the bottom of the nose. And this is one eye. And then I was trying to do the other eye, but I guess I didn't get it there.
Yeah, you just covered it up with background.
Oh man, I wish I knew where the background was supposed to go. What an experience.
All right, well, let's hold these up.
So before, with your eyes, what do we learn from this? That we should try to draw with your eyes open.
I don't know, man. This has more life,
More life?
more feeling. This is true.
I don't think so.
There's 100% truth in this.
Well, it's truth. It's true.
Ultimate truth.
Yeah, with your eyes closed.
Can't even write my name.
Wow.
Yeah.
Okay.
Cool.
All right, guys.
Well, if you want to win this drawing, we'll have the rules in the description below.
We signed it, so it has some value.
All right. Thanks, man.
It's been a pleasure, bro. What an experience.